so many real estate investors don't know where to invest. Maybe their home city, their own backyard is not a great market for real estate investing. We've seen that happen again and again on many of the big, expensive coastal cities. So investors have then scratched their heads and wonder, where do I go to invest? Where are the great hidden gem markets? So today we've brought in Donado Callahan to talk to us about three specifically hidden gem real estate markets that most real estate investors have just ignored and not discovered yet. Donado is the CEO of brightinvestor.com, a real estate analytics service. So, Donato, tell us, what are three hidden gem real estate markets that too many real estate investors have been ignoring?
Yeah, I would say right off the top of my head, top three markets that I would recommend people check out are Columbia, South Carolina, Des Moines, Iowa, and for the third one, Fort Wayne, Indiana. So those three markets, I look at the lens of what I call recap. It's my own personal acronym. You only have a few minutes to check out an area, do a market recap. First off is rent, employment, crime, appreciation, and population. Basically, I'm looking for areas where the rents are going to be on a pro forma basis less than three times the local income and growing at least 1% per year every single year, ideally 3% or even 5% every year. Next, employment. I'm looking for areas mainly in metros that are seeing at least a 10% growth in the job market over the past decade, specifically in the industries like government, healthcare, education, hospitality, and local trade, transportation, and utility services. Largely very reliable, very stable types of industries that continue to grow year over year. And my tenant base, if they work for those industries, I'm not at risk of an overnight, everyone's lost their job, and now I don't have anyone living renting from me. Crime on a very local basis, I'm looking to avoid areas with high levels of violent crimes such as physical assaults, sexual assaults, or weapon law violations that could drive tenants away from my area. And when it comes to appreciation, I want to be investing in markets that have been up in value at least 10% over the last 10 years. I really prefer 2% year over year, and specifically looking at zip codes that are outperforming the local metropolitan as a whole, meaning this area is appreciating faster than others on a year over year basis. All of that before I look into my population metric, that is, I want to invest in areas that have seen at least a 10% growth in population over the past 10 years. Because what I think a lot of people get wrong about real estate is it's a service business, not a product business. Your service is your customer service to your tenants, or if you're a home flipper or something like that, to your end buyer. And so you need to provide the best service possible to the people you can. And very generally speaking, when there's more demand for your product, the cost of your service can go up. So the more people that are in an area, the more people that are flocking there, the more I can charge for rent over time, and I'm going to be able to have better margins and a more enjoyable real estate investing experience.
Awesome. No, that's a very succinct summary. I love that. And if so, did I get this right? Columbia, South Carolina, Des Moines, Iowa, and Fort Wayne, Indiana?
Correct.
Awesome. Well, listeners, definitely check out those three markets. And Donata, I know that you are a syndicator yourself. You invest in apartment complexes. Do you own properties in any of these three cities, just out of curiosity?
Yeah, I'm actually I'm under I have several offers in Columbia, South Carolina right now. One we just lost out on this other week, and I'm offering another one tomorrow. So I'm actively pursuing properties there right now. And in Fort Wayne, I just worked with a fella who is looking to expand his portfolio, and he's planning to do over 500 single family home burrs across a couple metros. And Fort Wayne is one that we worked on putting
Oh,
together
well.
for him. So love that area. And then Des Moines, I'm actually from Eastern Iowa. I know the area decently well. And I have colleagues of mine who are putting in offers of properties there right now. So all places that either I'm interested in transacting, I am trying to transact, or I have people I'm working with who are transacting there right
I love it. So, Donato, in 30 seconds or less, how do you help people and how can people connect with you if they want to take you up on that help?
Yeah, so if you're looking to find great deals in great areas yourself as an active investor, or you want to be able to check out areas anytime you have a passive investment opportunity, you can check out brightinvestor.com. It's a real estate software that was designed by investors for you. And it's completely free to sign up. No credit card required. You can check us out there. And if you're interested in talking about multifamily, syndication, becoming an active operator, learning more about being a passive investor, you can go to donatocallahan.com, DONATOCALLAHAN, and you can book time with me on my calendar completely for free to talk multifamily.
Awesome. Well, Donato, thank you so much for coming on today. And guys, if you enjoy these quick hit conversations that we've had, these focused and very condensed conversations that we have, please rate, review the show. Makes a world of difference to us. And on that note, we will catch you next time. Wondering how private equity real estate investing works? We get it. A lot of investors are put off by phrases like private equity or real estate syndication, but these completely passive investments are actually a lot easier than buying properties directly, buying properties yourself in your own name. So we offer a free 40-minute class called Hack the Rich, 7 secrets we've learned from private equity real estate. There's not even a sales pitch at the end. We'll show you how to invest in these on your own without any help from us. So go to sparkrental.com/hack to take the free class. And we can't wait to chat about your questions.